Good morning, ma'am. I'm Francis Adrian G. Gaco, Bethel 8 IE1A. Today I will explain the comparison between Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slide.
Comparison of Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides. Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides are two of the most widely used presentation tools. Feature comparison, collaboration, limited real-time editing, seamless real-time collaboration. Collaboration, Google Slides is better for teamwork because it allows real-time editing. PowerPoint needs online for collaboration, animation, advanced effect, and customization basic effects. Animation, PowerPoint has more animations like map, while Google Slides offers basic effects. On PowerPoint, click on the Transition tab, select a transition effect, adjust duration and apply to slides. In Google Slides, click on Slide Transition, choose a transition styles and apply to slides. PowerPoint works offline fully. Google Slides needs the offline mode enabled. If you need advanced features, PowerPoint is better. If you need quick and easy collaboration, Google Slides is best.